a successful person in this world listening to someone like you will be motivated if they're not doing that kind of charitable work. You see, when they listen to you, well, if Brother Ashraf Amdani can do it, then they are sitting with their millions and billions and they're doing nothing and not realizing that if they get involved in some charitable work, they might find more peace in their life, more itminan, more sakina, more relaxation, some sort of comfort, and more than that, the blessings with it for the hereafter and this world. So you just sitting and talking to us here in Alhikmat studio, you don't know whom you can motivate anywhere in the world to get up and get involved in some charitable work. Yeah, that's our purpose of doing these shows.
That is really, really commendable. I really like what you do, and this is, technology world.
Yes.
And we can go far distances. And I can tell you that one of your show, somebody sent me from South Africa and said, Ashraf, there is an imam in the Florida giving this khutbah. It's wonderful. It was about mother, I remember.
Okay,
so it was very touching. And so you can see today the social media can take your word to the different part of the world very, very quickly.
Subhanallah.
And we're really thankful to you doing so. And I was actually honored to be with you and talking to you. And maybe I can, give you a small incident. Or you can say how I started with Child Life Foundation, who become 1.2 million kids they're treating yearly in public hospitals in Pakistan. I was visiting Pakistan, and a friend of mine, a partner with me, and he said, look, we have a new business to invest. I will take you. He put me in the car. We go to this civil hospital. And when I saw the condition of those kids and the way they were being treated was pathetic. I stayed there and I felt so bad. So he said, now, what do you think? We should invest here. And we were very few, 6 of us started. And that day I said, I will try. I'll try my best to give back. And today, we just started today, in fact, the large emergency room in Lahore. That was our 13th emergency room. Pakistan have 38 teaching school emergency room for the kids. And if we can cover that, that will be a huge milestone in my lifetime,
Subhanallah,
But
yes.
it was started very small. A friend of mine, like what you said just now, he's taken me there. And I got involved, and I took 2 more guys with me, and now we have 8 trustees. And they are all very active, and they bring hundreds of people to come and donate that. They come, they visit, they look at it. We don't sell anything. We bring them there and show them what we do. So these organizations need to have a vision, and they need to have a professional management. And the board of governance need to have a strategy in plan. So if we can do that, I think many of these organizations will do very well.
Yes, so you're a man who have met people in all different walks of life and all. I saw photos with you and Prime Minister, Mr. Imran Khan, right?
Yeah, recently what he does, he's trying to put up a university in Mianwali, which is north of Pakistan, no man's land. And his thought process is that if we can build a good institute, and that's the only way we can alleviate poverty.
Right.
So the university is in progress. And hopefully in coming 2 years, we will have close to 4,500 kids.
Subhanallah.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. So,